Hello everyone, welcome to another trade with Day Trader Survivor. BG is already 11% up. I'm looking for a pullback, which just did. I see a small candle, which is really interesting, and I want to enter on this candle. I just did. Now I'm going to trade only 5 minutes candles today, as a result of the last few days. And I want to see if I can handle trade better with 5 minutes, which is first of all slower, and second of all less noisy. So my stop will be 31.30 basically, which is just below the candle. 31.40. I want my partial one to be 32.29. It's starting to look really good, building up. Now the daily is completely clear, so the sky is the limit here. And I don't know how much we can run, so let's see what we can occur. First of all, I'm building on the highest of the day, so I took it just below. We're starting a reversal. I'm waiting for this reversal to end before I can move my stop. By the way, I'm running the time really fast. Again, it's 5 minutes candles and I want it to work, so it's going to be a slow trade for me, but the review here is going to be regular speed, meaning it's going to be 5 times faster than the regular view that I'm doing. Okay. As long as it's not below the little red candle, I will let it walk. That's nice. That's a beautiful recovery. I'm about to move my stop to be just below the red candle, which is 31.49. Come on, give me my partial, come on. If it's starting in our reversal, which it seems that it did, there is 2 options. Either it's going to go back and crash the highest of the day. In this case, I will take bigger profit, or it's going to crash completely and I'm going to lose the trade. Now I'm going to trade it based on the stock today, meaning I'm not going to move my stop unless I see a full reversal. So I just move my partial one to be 32.43. By the way, the highest of the day was 32.47, just a few cents below the highest of the day. Here's the reversal. I'm building on the reversal to stop kinda on the 31.75. This candle is looking good. I don't like how the new candle is starting and forming, because the last one showed a weakness with the sellers, but then we started the gap down. The sellers as holding a few more surprises in their pocket. So I'm about to move my stop to be on the entrance. I did not do that yet. I'm waiting. I need to see it kinda reaching 32.30 at least. Okay, so I already updated it. So it's going to be a green day for me, or at least not a really red day, depending on how it's going to jump on my stop, if it's going to reach it. Come on, and I got partial 1. Nice. So I took the first partial. Second partial I'm going to take in 33.28, which is high, but I'm patient here. First of all, I have 140 bucks in my pocket, so that's a guaranteed profit, which is amazing. It's almost 1.5 risk levels, which I hope to get every day. We will see what we're going to do. So I left the computer because I needed to leave the computer. And when I came back, what I saw was we already have a new high, which is just below 32.50, which is basically where I took my partial. And it's keeping building. You can see it's building up in the 15 minutes candles as well. So the 15 and the 5 showing you that it's going to continue. I don't know how much, but I know that I'm going to make at least like 250, which is crazy day. And it's going down. And now I'm just showing you steps of 5 minutes. Basically, I didn't be near the computer all the time, just watched it. And it tested again. You can see double bottom on the 32.50, and it's building back, which is nice. I have no place to advance my stop, so it's just waiting. Now it's consolidating, and we have a range of 33, which you just hit, and 32.50. It's a half buck consolidate, and jumped again. Can you give me partial 2? And I got partial 2. So I have 262 in my pocket. So 2.5 risk levels, which is crazy. And I have about quarter of my shares. So from that point, I'm going to let the trade work by himself. I don't know what it can and cannot do, but I'm only going to monitor it. So I left the computer again, just for a quick short, and it just jumped. So this is a huge jump. Now I already have 262 in my pocket, and it's holding 165, still an unrealized profit, which is amazing. And I'm kind of trying to think where to move my stop to, so I moved it to 33.50. So third of the way down, and then I left the computer again for a longer period of time. So I decided to go back just a few minutes before the day ends, so it's half an hour pretty much, just to see how it's going. And I decided to kind of reduce my size if it's going to continue the next day. So I want to take my partial one, my last partial of the day, in 35, basically 50. So I put 43, and I moved the stop to the last reversal that I saw, which is 34.78. So if it's reaching that below, I'm going to end the day today, and if not, I'm going to continue this trade. Now I will try to take my last partial on the 35.43, but reaching the last 2 minutes, and it doesn't seem that it's going to be there, so I'm just going to take a partial when I can. So I'm going to submit one soon, just last few seconds, and I did. I took the last partial, and I finished the day with 400 bucks profit. And look at the day, just amazing. So 400 realized. I still have 30 shares that holding 104 profit, and we're starting day 2. So in day 2 we jumped, just starting running out of the gate, which is amazing, and you can see where my stop is. So I started to move it to the lowest of the day, which in this case is 35.34, and it doesn't look like it's going to stop. It's just continuing. It's amazing. And I'm looking for reversal, which I don't see yet. This is a reversal, small one, and I hope it will be small, but just a little sell-off. And it's still running. Okay. Can you break the ice of the day? It's fighting it. And it's looking good. Would you go to reversal? Whoa, that was a jump. And it's still continuing. So in this case, thinking about where can I move my stop, and I decided to do it just below the red candle. So if it's going down, and it's enough. But look at this candle, it's just crazy. It's just continuing and continuing. 1.5 back in no time, just crazy. So what I decided to do in this point is I'm going to move my stop to the bottom of each candle until I'm going out. And that's basically what I'm doing. So every time a candle is end, I'm moving my stop. So every 5 minutes I'm moving my stop. And it's crazy, I'm still in. And it's still running, it's crazy. And it's really interesting to see how much this one can run, because that was a resistance one, a pivot resistance, and it just run it like it's not even there, and it's extended as hell, and it's still walking, and it just stopped. So I finished the day, and you can see that after my exit it jumped just a little bit and then kind of fade away all day long. So I finished this day with $170 profit. And let's kind of summarize this trade, which was kind of crazy. So the first day I got 400 realized and 100 unrealized, 104. Second day 170. Altogether one trade, $570 profit. Crazy. So that's about all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Comment and subscribe.